We're going to jump right into this one. This is episode number 2 of Artificial Intelligence. This one we're going to call the 7-day juice plan to kickstart your weight loss journey. So let's jump right in here. We're going to ask the artificial intelligence a quick question. And let's see how it answers. Okay, it says, yes, I'm an example of artificial intelligence. So we're speaking to an artificial intelligence. And if we look at the rest of that, it says, I'm an artificial intelligent model developed by OpenAI. So let's jump right into it and let's just ask it another simple question. Are you smart? Okay. Goes into a little bit of an explanation of smart. So it says the term smart can be interpreted in different ways. If by smart you mean capable of processing and generating large amounts of information in a contextually appropriate way, then yes, I can be considered smart. Okay, that's good enough for our purposes. Okay, let's jump right into our first question about doing some type of juice to lose weight. So our first question is going to be, is there one type of juice that can significantly help with the weight loss? And let's see, is there one type of juice? We'll add this in here. Juice or combo of juices that can significantly help with weight loss. Is there one type of juice or combo of juices that can significantly help with weight loss? Let's see what the artificial intelligence has to say about that. Okay, let it finish answering and then we'll just go and kind of analyze it just to see which direction we should head after this. Okay. There's no single type of juice or juice combination that alone will significantly lead to weight loss. While some juices may contain nutrients that can support overall health, weight loss fundamentally comes down to creating a calorie deficit, meaning you consume fewer calories than your body burns. Okay. It's important to note that many fruit juices can be high in sugar and calories, and consuming these in large quantities may actually contribute to weight gain if not balanced with the rest of your diet. Okay, so my next question for the artificial intelligence would be, let's see what it can do with a question like this. Can you give us a simple 7-day plan for juices? And what realistic results might we expect in 7 days? And let's see. Can you give us a simple 7-day plan for juices and what realistic results might we expect in 7 days? Let's see if the artificial intelligence can handle that. Okay, here we go. Let it finish processing here, and let's jump back up to the top. Okay. If you're looking to incorporate juicing into your diet, it's important to remember that juices should complement a balanced, varied diet, not replace meals entirely. It's essential to get a broad range of nutrients from various sources, including whole foods. Here's a simple 7-day plan for adding a daily juice to a balanced diet. So here we have day one, green juice, which can consist of spinach, cucumber, celery, green apple, lemon, and a touch of ginger. Day two, beetroot juice, beetroot, carrot, orange, and a touch of ginger. Okay, day three, it's suggesting carrot orange juice, where we throw in some carrots, oranges, lemon, and a bit of turmeric. Green juice, back to green, which would be kale, green apple, lemon, celery, and a touch of ginger. Day five, tomato juice, tomato vegetable juice, tomatoes, celery, cucumber, bell peppers, and a sprinkle of black pepper. And day six, pineapple cucumber juice, pineapple, cucumber, spinach, and a touch of mint. Okay, day seven, mixed berry juice, mixed berries like strawberries, raspberries, blueberries, a small apple, and a bit of lemon. So it basically says this artificial intelligence is suggesting that each juice should be consumed as part of a balanced meal plan, not in place of it. Freshly squeezed juices are a great way to get extra vitamins and minerals, but remember that they lack dietary fiber and can be high in sugar, even if it's natural sugar. Okay, so let's talk about how much weight we would actually lose. Regarding expectations for 7 days, well, it's important to set realistic goals. Weight loss is usually a slow process. In a healthy weight loss plan, losing 1 to 2 pounds per week is generally considered safe and realistic by most health and nutrition professionals. So, in a week, significant weight loss should not be expected. However, incorporating nutrient dense juices into a balanced diet could help with overall well being. Remember, significant dietary changes should be discussed with a healthcare provider or a registered dietitian. They can provide personalized advice to safely and effectively achieve your health and weight loss goals. So, the artificial intelligence did give us a few tips there. Now, one other thing I wanted to throw in there was one final question before we jump off of this one here. Final question that we have for the artificial intelligence is, okay, during these 7 days, what should we eat if we are really starving? Let's see what it suggests while we're doing this type of juice consumption. Artificial intelligence is going to give us something here. Let's see. Let it finish responding, and then, well, let's see what it says. Okay, there we go. Okay, feeling overly hungry or starving on a regular basis could be a sign that you're not getting enough calories or nutrients in your diet. If this is the case, it's important to reevaluate your eating plan to ensure it's providing adequate nourishment. For balanced nutrition, aim to include a variety of foods from all the food groups. So, they're talking proteins, whole grains, fruits, vegetables, and healthy fats. Here are some nutritious, filling, snack, and meal ideas. Okay, whole fruits and vegetables. We got lean proteins, whole grains, healthy fats, dairy or alternatives, and hydrate. Sometimes feelings of hunger are actually signs of dehydration. Drinking plenty of water throughout the day can help keep us hydrated and may also help control hunger. Remember, the goal is not to starve yourself, but to create a sustainable, nutritious eating plan that supports your health and weight loss goals. It's always advisable to consult with a registered dietitian or healthcare provider before starting any new diet plan. Okay, let me just ask one last little thing. Can you give us a 7-day plan for this aspect. See what it says. Okay, so now, in addition to doing the juicing, or the types of juices we could consume for 7 days, here's a 7-day plan for something to actually eat. So this gives us a little bit deeper of an explanation what we can do on day one. So for breakfast, scrambled eggs with spinach and a slice of whole grain bread. For a snack, a handful of almonds. Lunch, grilled chicken salad with plenty of veggies and a vinaigrette. Another snack, it looks like it's thrown in there, a piece of fruit like an apple or orange. And then for dinner, baked salmon with a side of steamed broccoli or quinoa. Day two, breakfast, Greek yogurt with a sprinkle of granola, some berries. So a couple of snacks in there again. Lunch, lentil soup. And dinner, grilled tofu stir fry with a variety of vegetables. Day three, breakfast, they changed over to oatmeal. Still two snacks in there, Greek yogurt, small handful of nuts. Lunch, turkey breast sandwich on whole grain bread with a side of mixed greens. And for dinner, some more fish. You got baked cod with sweet potatoes and asparagus. Day four, breakfast. Throwing in a smoothie with spinach, banana, blueberries, and a scoop of protein powder. Okay, so it just goes on, and we go right up to 7 days. So that's about it for today with speaking with our artificial intelligence. And each of these um, meal plans and juice plans will be in the description for this video. So if you have any questions or comments, please add them to this video and I will respond to you. And we can also have the artificial intelligence respond. So if you have any type of questions, we can just do another video and we can add that right in there. Once again, this is episode number 2. The title of this episode is 7-Day Juice Plan to Kickstart Your Weight Loss Journey. Episode number 2 with the artificial intelligence.